Welcome class 6. Today we are going to learn the new chapter Fundamental Concepts of Geometry. So let's start. Point. A point is a marked position. It has neither length nor width nor thickness. Or in other words, we can say that it has no dimensions. A dot represents a point and a letter P also represents a point. So over here this P is a point, and a unique thing about this point is that infinite number of lines can pass through the same point. So if there is a question how many lines can pass through a given point, then from a single given point there are infinite number of lines which can pass through. Next is a line. A line has only length and it has neither width nor thickness. So here this is a line and we take any two extreme points of this line, let's say point A and B, and there should be the two arrowheads on both the sides. This indicates that this line will go up till infinity towards this side, and here also it goes towards infinity towards this side. Okay, so if there are two arrowheads on both the sides, then it's a line, and line AB is represented as AB, and there should be the two a small line with the arrowheads on top, written on top of AB. Alright, so this is how we represent a line. Next we have a ray. So what is a ray? It is a line which starts from a point and moves in a fixed direction. So let's say there is a point, and from this point a line moves, okay, in a fixed direction towards this direction, in a fixed direction. All right, so this point, let's say this point is point A, and let's consider any of the point out here, that is, let's say point B. So AB becomes a ray and it is represented like this. We write AB and we write a small ray on top of it. We draw a small ray, and thus AB signifies a ray. Next is a line segment. A line segment is a segment or a part of a straight line. So if the straight line, you know, if we take only AB of that straight line, then AB is from here to here. Now this will not go up till infinity because there is no arrow. So AB, unlike a line AB, a line segment AB will have a fixed length, whereas a line AB will have a length which is infinite, which will go up till infinity. So over here a line segment has a fixed length, and thus the line segment AB is just written as AB. We don't need to draw anything on top of it. Okay. Next is a plane. We all know what is a plane. Okay. The screen that you can see out here is a plane. A blackboard is a plane. A table surface is a plane. So it is a flat surface and it has length and width but no thickness. So here this is a plane. Okay, this is the length, the longer portion. This is the breadth or width, but it has no thickness. As you can see, it's not thick enough. Okay, so it's like a piece of paper, okay, which has a very which is very negligible, which has very negligible thickness. All right, so it's like a sheet of paper. Okay, so this represents a plane. Next is parallel lines. The parallel lines are those kind of lines which do not meet each other even when they are produced up to infinity. So here this figure represents line AB and line CD, and they are such a way they are separated with each other that they do not meet even if you produce them up till infinity. Okay, if you produce them up till infinity, even though they will not meet each other. Such lines are called parallel lines, and these parallel lines are supposed to lie on the same plane. So over here it lies on the plane of this screen. Okay, next we have the, and yes, of course, the parallel lines are represented by AB parallel to CD. So these are the parallel line symbol. Okay, AB parallel to CD. Next we have intersecting lines. If the two lines meet each other or intersect each other, then they are called intersecting lines. For example, let's say that there is a line AB and there is another line CD which meets each other at this point O. Then we can say that AB intersects CD, or we can also say CD intersects AB at the point O. So this point O becomes the point of intersection, or is called as intersecting point. Next we have collinear points. If there are three or more points which lie on the same straight line, then the points are called collinear points. Suppose, let's say, there are set of points in such a way that a straight line can pass through them, then those points over here, point A, B, C, D and E, are collinear points. Okay, so they all needs to lie on the same straight line, then they are collinear points. Next, concurrent lines. If three or more straight lines pass through the same point, then the lines are called concurrent lines. For example, let's say there is a line, okay, and there is another line which intersects at that point, again another line which intersects at the same point, and another line, and there are more than three straight lines which intersect or pass through the same point, this point out here, then these all these lines are called as concurrent lines. Okay, so keeping this in mind, your assignment is exercise 23A, page number 206, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can attempt this question or solve them on the book itself. Okay, thank you.